Hey there, this is my Macintosh Plus. Big thanks to Adrian in the Auckland community here, vintage computer community, for donating this one. Spent a few weekends lovingly cleaning and recapping it, and now it's working beautifully. On here I've got ThinkC, which is a fully integrated developer environment. And in that, I've been working on a little program called Hello ChatGPT. So I'll have to show that off today. Here's the source code. A lot of this source code came not from me, but from another fellow vintage computer enthusiast by the name of Joshua Stein. So thanks, Joshua, for all your contributions to this platform in the 21st century. Joshua wrote or contributed the Dynaport driver for the BlueScsi Wi-Fi support. So now we've got Wi-Fi support, which is awesome. He also wrote a few applications which really demonstrate what you can do with this thing. One of the applications he wrote was a Wikipedia client, which was really helpful for me in my quest to build a ChatGPT client. My contribution is largely the JSON support for integrating the JSON support for talking to the API. So let's open it up and see if we can get it to run. Yeah, so here's the project. My contribution is this much. Let's see if I can stop it from strobing out. Developing in this thing is pretty good. It's obviously not a modern developer environment, and so you have to sort of think a little bit differently, but it's pretty nice. I think one of the attractive features is really just how being a slow and an old developer environment, you really have to focus on what matters. But there's a debugger, which is pretty good, and it helps you out along the way. Plus, Joshua's code's really clean, so it's really easy to follow and adapt to my needs. So, without further ado, let's have a chat with ChatGPT. We'll start with the easy ones. There we go. So it supports recall as well. Basic Editor supports formatting, so Macintosh has a different new line format than Windows or Unix. So this does that. We've got obviously the output includes Markdown. I don't have a Markdown parser just yet, but that's definitely something to look at. You tell me if it's true.
Dad, dinner spread time. Dinner time, Dad.
Thanks, kid. And with that, dinner is ready. See you soon.